Lizzie, reserved for rich-ass families and dictators, worth 1.6 mil. I guess when you're just an owner of an NBA team, you couldn't buy more
Artlist.io.
cars. But LeBron James, the GOAT of the NBA, is a completely different story. Bro owns a couple cars, like the 458 Italian Spider and the 599 GTP Favouite. But he also owns a $670,000 Lamborghini Aventador.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's got a custom paint job to match LeBron's custom Nike shoes. The X1 Kings Pride matched the bars of their shoes with super shoes and having a custom silk carpet to match your custom Nike shoes. It's just a completely different level. That's not even LeBron's most expensive car, though, 'cause he owns a blacked out Porsche 918 Spider. Yeah, this man owns